Welcome to the next live session of Academic Writing MOOC, and we are happy that now we are a family of around 8,000 learners in this particular cycle, and I'm overwhelmed by your responses, by your participation in the discussion forum, as well as your feedback, which we have received. And it's very important to see and learn from our learners that what they are feeling and perceiving about the course. It is utmost important for me and my team because we have prepared the course so that the course may be helpful for each and every learner, each and every stakeholder. I'm just pardon, मैं केवल ये करना चाह रहा था कि एक्चुअली फोन को ही पहले तो मैं एरोप्लेन मोड में डालूंगा. Sorry. And what I could perceive that we are able to gain the attention of lot many researchers, students, scholars, faculty members, scientists, not only from India, but also from the different countries. Also. Obviously, we will be trying to keep it bilingual as and when required. So to begin with, सबसे पहले तो हम आज जो टॉपिक तो हम पहले बात करेंगे, कुछ ऐसी बातें हैं और मैं चाहूंगा डॉक्टर मुकेश की दैट टू थिंग्स विच आप उसको दो कई बार पोस्ट करते रहे ताकि जो लोग हमको थोड़ा लेट ज्वाइन करें उनके बारे में भी आए. एक, the first and very foremost information I want to give that there is a little bit glitch in the system due to update. A recent update was there in the Swayam platform. So there is a glitch in the being observed in almost all the courses in the self, where the specifically in the self-assessment, where if you are clicking it a particular option, it is showing it wrong and giving the same answer as the accepted answer. Okay, and thanks to our learners who brought the matter into our attention. और हमने ये एस्केलेट कर दिया है सुपर एडमिन को एंड वी हैव डिस्कस एंड सून इट विल बी रिजॉल्व. सो यू नीड नॉट टू वरी दैट इट विल बी टेकन केयर ऑफ एंड सून इट विल बी रिजॉल्व. सो सबसे पहली बात कि आप इसकी चिंता ना करें और धन्यवाद आपका कि आपने इसको हमारे अटेंशन में लाए और हमने इसको तुरंत एस्केलेट किया, टीम को बात की है. जस्ट अपडेट के कारण ऐसी दिक्कत हुई है. और दूसरी एक क्वेरी और थी कि अपडेट के कारण ड्यू टू दैट सिस्टम अपडेट और उसका जो लुकअप है वो थोड़ा चेंज किया गया है. तो जो पहले जो स्क्रिप्ट था वो वीडियो के नीचे आ रहा था. नाउ इट इज कमिंग इन द सेकंड बार. टॉप में आपको बार मिलेगी, मतलब वीडियो का बार अलग है और स्क्रिप्ट का बार अलग है. आई वुड लाइक टू सी इट, आई वुड लाइक टू शो यू. लेट मी शेयर द थिंग और देखिएगा उसको. मैं आपको शेयर करने जा रहा हूँ कि किस तरह से वो चीज हो रही है. लेट मी शेयर माय स्क्रीन रादर कंप्लीटली, है ना, ठीक रहेगा, वही ज्यादा उचित रहेगा. Now you are able to see my screen. Yeah, this is I have enrolled. Say for example, if you are enrolled there, you will go to the my courses. Okay, my courses you are going, and say for example, this is the course. Go to that particular course, and where say for example, and you are seeing this in the, say for example, week 6 literature review, and a particular module you are seeing. And in this module, what we can see that here you are not able to find the script. तो स्क्रिप्ट कहाँ मिलेगा? दिस इज अ लेसन. नाउ ये बगल में देख रहे हैं आप टैब रीडिंग मटेरियल, जस्ट क्लिक इट, you will find the reading material as usual. उसी तरीके से. And how you can download? Click it here in pop out. When we will be popping it out, it will be there, and here you can download it very easily. ठीक है, आप डाउनलोड कीजिएगा एंड यू कैन, आप इसे आसानी से प्रिंट कर सकते हैं, डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं अपनी पढ़ाई के लिए. आई थिंक ये चीज जो क्लियर होनी चाहिए थी, मतलब अभी रिसेंट अपडेट के कारण इसकी लोकेशन चेंज हुई है, अदरवाइज स्क्रिप्ट इज अवेलेबल. सो प्लीज डोंट बी वरीड कि आपको आप एक्सेस नहीं कर पा रहे, ऐसा नहीं है. इट इज अवेलेबल देयर, it is available there. So you just need to see above your video that yes in the here and if you again want to go to the video, अब वीडियो वापस से देखना चाहते हैं तो यहाँ पर क्लिक करेंगे, लेफ्ट पे क्लिक करेंगे. ठीक है, और जो दिक्कत हो रही है वो आपको जल्दी रिजॉल्व भी हो जाएगी. बाकी यू नो यू कैन ये अपडेटेड लर्निंग पोर्टल का फीडबैक है, जो कि इट्स नॉट अबाउट द कोर्स फीडबैक, ये पूरे पोर्टल का फीडबैक है. आप देना चाहें तो इट्स ऑन यू. तो आई एम जस्ट क्रॉसिंग इट आउट. ये ऑटो स्क्रॉल तब है ट्रांसक्रिप्ट जब लैंग्वेज, अगर वो मल्टीपल लैंग्वेज में हमको दिख रहा है हो रहा है वीडियो, तो देन इट कैन बी टेकन केयर, वो ऑटो स्क्रॉल होगा. फिलहाल ये इस कोर्स में यहाँ पर उपलब्ध नहीं है, दूसरी जगह उपलब्ध है. इट इज अवेलेबल इन द यूजीसी रिसोर्सेज. ठीक है, सो पहली बात, हैव यू गॉट the location of the reading material now? कहां पर भी आपने देखना है, you will go on the second bar beside the lesson module. ठीक है, and you can download it. So this was a bit change, and if any issue is there, just scroll there, just explore. You will find the things are there, their location may be changed. Okay, like announcement यहाँ पर है, Q&A की यहाँ पर आ गई आपका announcement. You are clicking that you will be getting the announcement in the एक नए रूप में, नए फ्लेवर में, नए कहें कि फॉर्मेट में आपको जो है अनाउंसमेंट दिखने जा रहा है. So this is just a you can say makeover of our portal done by our super admin. So जो पोर्टल और यही जो आप रिसेंट जो मैंने आपको पोस्ट किया था अनाउंसमेंट, इस तरह से आपको दिखेगा. And this is an assignment and quiz you are already doing, so please keep on doing the assignment. This few things I want to clarify again. क्या क्लैरिफाई करना है? क्या आपको स्कोर दिखेगा? अभी नहीं दिखेगा. आंसर इज नो. यू वॉन्ट गेट एनी पॉइंट, एनी स्कोर कि कितना आपने स्कोर किया, बिकॉज लास्ट लाइन इफ यू से वहां लिखा है कि यू मे सबमिट एनी नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स before the due date, the final submission will be considered for evaluation. It means up to 30, last date क्या है 30th अप्रैल, यानी 30 अप्रैल तक आप कितनी भी बार इसको अपने को करेक्ट कर सकते हैं वापस. जो लास्ट जो आपका होगा सबमिशन वही रिकॉर्ड होगा. It will be recorded only and you will be able to come to know, you will be able to know what and how much you have scored in a particular assignment only after the 30th अप्रैल. और 30 अप्रैल के बाद ऑटोमेटिकली आपके डैशबोर्ड में आपको वो दिखने लगेगा. आपके डैशबोर्ड में कहां दिखेगा आपको, वो आप प्रोग्रेस डिटेल्स पे आप जब जाते हैं तो यू विल फाइंड द असाइनमेंट स्कोर्स हियर. ठीक है, इन असाइनमेंट स्कोर यू विल फाइंड, आपको हर असाइनमेंट का स्कोर ऑटोमेटिकली 30 अप्रैल को अपने आप यहाँ दिख जाएगा, बिकॉज वीक 6 तक की ग्रेडेड असाइनमेंट जो असेसमेंट जो है रिलीज हुए हैं. दैट्स व्हाई यू कैन सी ओनली दिस मच है, और आपको ये दिखने लगेगा. ठीक है, दिस you can explore only after 30th April it will be opened, otherwise quiz open हो जाएगी ना. ठीक है, so you will be finding this thing detail there. So hope I have added the information into your domain. और एक चीज, और ये चीज तो बात हुई, और दूसरा एक इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा. एटलीस्ट आपके 8 आउट ऑफ 15 जो टोटल क्विजेज होंगी हमारी, द क्विज यू जिसमें कि इंटरनल स्कोर को हम जज करेंगे, इट विल बी फॉर द 8 असाइनमेंट. बेस्ट 8 असाइनमेंट विल बी टेकन, जो कि आपके कोर्स पेज में लास्ट में हमने लिख भी रखे हैं. ठीक है, इन द कोर्स पेज इटसेल्फ यू विल फाइंड द इंफॉर्मेशन दैट व्हाट इज द दिस मे बी कोर्स है, जो कोर्स का जो बेस अबाउट द कोर्स पे आप जाएंगे. इफ यू विल गो टू द अबाउट द कोर्स, यू जस्ट सी, देखिए आप थोड़ा जो इसका लुकअप है वो चेंज हो चुका है. कोर्स सर्टिफिकेट पे क्लिक करेंगे, देन यू विल फाइंड द कोर्स इज फ्री टू लर्न. देखिए वी आर नॉट चार्जिंग एनीथिंग, ओनली द एनटी चार्जेस फॉर द एग्जामिनेशन एंड सर्टिफिकेशन. आउट ऑफ 15 द एवरेज ऑफ टॉप असाइनमेंट, अब 8 में से आपने 5 किए तो हम 5 बेस्ट उसका एवरेज ले लेंगे. तो बेहतर है कि आप सब ज्यादा से ज्यादा करेंगे तो ज्यादा से ज्यादा अच्छा आपके स्कोर होने के चांस होंगे. ठीक है, एंड ए 40% पासिंग मार्क्स इज एसेंशियल फॉर गेटिंग द सर्टिफिकेट. ठीक है, इंटरनल में भी आपको लाना है और एक्सटर्नल में भी 40% मिनिमम आपके पास होना चाहिए. एंड द एग्जामिनेशन विल बी ऑफ सीबीटी, एमसीक्यूज होंगे, केवल 50 एमसीक्यूज देंगे. एंड एग्जाम रजिस्ट्रेशन जब भी होंगे मार्च लास्ट, अप्रैल फर्स्ट वीक या अप्रैल लास्ट वीक में आपको इन्फॉर्म किया जाएगा। तो एग्जाम जो भी लोग लेट हमको ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं डजंट मैटर, इसीलिए इसकी डेट कंफर्टेबल डेट्स रखी गई हैं, सो दैट इवन इफ यू ज्वाइन अस लेट you will be able to complete your quiz up to the due date, that is 30th April. Okay, and the exam registrations, unlike the other courses, unlike the NPTEL courses and other जो हमारे नेशनल कोऑर्डिनेटर है, हमारा नेशनल कोऑर्डिनेटर कौन है? CEC, जो जिसका आप लोगों यहाँ देख रहे हैं। तो CEC के केस में जो एग्जाम रजिस्ट्रेशन होते हैं, the exam registration are only in the March last week or April, in the month of April, and we will be duly informing you whenever the exam registration window is opened, and you will have to register for exam through the NTA websites. Okay, and by paying the fee, by paying the examination fee, you will be able to register for the exam, and then only after completing the exam, after giving the examinations, external internal scores will be put together, and if you get 40% in internal as well as 40% external, then only the certificate will be awarded. Okay? So this was all about the little bit changes and some other information, especially for the late entrants. I'm again going back to what we were talking about. ये information मुझे देनी थी. बात matter number 1, there is a little bit glitch in the self-assessment, so don't worry, it will be resolved. Number 2, the location of the transcript, it is, or the script notes, it is available not below the video but above the video. There is a bar on the reading material, you just click it, you will be able to get it. Third thing, exam registrations are not started yet. The window will be opened. The window will be opened in March last or April, in the month of April. Whenever the window is open, we will be informing you. Need not to worry. And the average of top 8 assignments, top 8 graded assessment will be taken for the internal assessment. A few things which I wanted to clear before we move, because most of the queries will be automatically handled by these things which I went through last night. Whatever the questions are going there in the discussion forum, and some of them I answered. Then I thought that I think you might have received email regarding the glitch and all that I dropped at that moment only in the night. And when I was going through the your discussion which is going on the forum, and I think we can start now. If you have any particular query, you are most welcome. Thank you.
Sir, one question is there.
Mm-hmm.
Hello?
Yeah, I can hear.
Sir, one runner is there, Miss Mahak Mittal. उनका क्वेश्चन ये है सर कि वो विजुअली थोड़ा इम्पेयर्ड है, तो स्क्राइब के लिए क्या वो है इस केस में?
Mahak, if you go to the Amazon, you type Ajay Semalty or academic writing, you will find a podcast, or tell some other person, so you can enjoy the podcast. You can enjoy the podcast. Just put the earphone there, and you will be able to at least enjoy the audio only. It is free of cost. It is available there in the Amazon in the form of podcast. The exclusive podcast is available in Amazon Music. Even Alexa can let you know if the Amazon Music is installed and the subscribes there. Then you will be able to hear me in the form of podcast, which is an exclusive feature of a course which I have enabled and make it available in the Amazon. Okay, Amazon podcast it is there.
सर वो एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से पूछना चाह रहे हैं, तो क्या उन्हें स्क्राइब मिलेगा अंदर?
Scribe, maybe I will confirm. Mahak, please drop the email to me, and it's in my official email ID, or you can in the course email ID. You can you are having my email ID, it's semalty@gmail.com. Just put your queries. I will escalate your request and ask the national coordinator about the same, and I will get back to you. Sure, that's my promise. Okay.
Thank you.
Yes. So anything. So I think you have got the thing. You have got all the things which I have mentioned specifically regarding the little bit changes in the portal for its formatting, its lookup, and Ali, there is no issue if you, even if you joined yesterday. I just mentioned that we have kept the last date of assessment 30th April, and no date is over till now. Every assessment last date is 30th April, so it is very comfortable for everyone who is joining even on 20th February. That is the last date of the enrollment. So there is not no issue. Just go through the content. You can go through the recording a live webinar which we have already mentioned in the put into the portal. Just go through and do the assessment, graded assessment. Don't worry about the self-assessment. They are just self-assessment are just for checking your own knowledge. That's why the 0 point has been kept there, even if you attempt it. But the graded assessment, that weekly quiz at the last, you need to do. You need to submit, and you can do it as many times as possible. Only the last submission will be recorded for your assessment of a scoring purpose. Okay. So I think Ali, you need not to worry. So welcome to the course. Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Meanwhile, we get other questions also. With respect to literature review, we discussed about the how to select the journals with respect to the journal matrices, how to select the journal with respect to author matrices. We are saying that yes, Mahajano, Yenagata Sapanta, though where our best researcher of our field are publishing, we will follow the suit. Maybe that may be the if we are not getting anything from impact and other things, this is the best policy. At the alternative policy, maybe apart from the policy which we have discussed earlier also in the module, that seeing the impact factor, validating the impact factor, or cite score, and impact, speed, reach, three things which we discussed. Apart from that, now this is the time to discuss the review, literature review, which we discussed. Now, for generating the idea, reading is very much important. You can't do anything if you haven't read properly. You must read exhaustively and critically the entire body of knowledge. Then only you will be able to connect the previous ideas, whatever the work have been done, and then only when you are updated, then only you will be able to identify the research gap. Otherwise not. So for identifying the research gap, it is mandatory that you go through the literature review exhaustively, critically, sequentially, and see what is required to be done more. What may be the innovative aspect of doing something in that particular domain. भाई कुछ नया करना पड़ेगा ना, इसके लिए जरूरी है कि हम पता तो करें कि नया क्या है. What is new there which has not been done in that domain? Then only you were going to dig deep. So I'm coming to the questions. Okay. If you are quiz and assessment, please go through the certificate there. You will find that in the course page you will find the things. Out of 15 assignment, you should at least if you want the best score, we will be taking the best 8 scores. We will be taking the average of those best 8 scores. Okay. And then the 30% of that will be taken, and 70% of external will be taken, and then only the combined score will be prepared. But you need to score 40% each in internal as well as the 40 in the external, that end term exam. Okay. If you are are not able to get even the 40% marks, भाई आपने करा ही नहीं, मतलब out of 8 मतलब लगे कि you haven't done, आपने 2 भी नहीं किए, 2 मान लिया आपने खाली 2 असाइनमेंट करे, तो भी आपका स्कोर इतना बनेगा ही नहीं. ठीक है. तो एटलीस्ट आपको करने पड़ेंगे ठीक ठाक जो है। अब मैं तो कहता हूँ 8 करिए कम से कम, तो आ जाएंगे तो आपके पास असाइनमेंट में चांसेस अच्छे होंगे स्कोर करने के। अगर आप 40% के बराबर असेसमेंट कोई अटेम्प्ट नहीं करेंगे तो आपका जो है वो 40% से कम अगर बन गया तो यू वोंट बी एबल, हो सकता है आप सीबीटी भी दे दें, मतलब टेस्ट भी दे दें, पर आपको सर्टिफिकेट जनरेट नहीं होगा, वहां भी पास हो जाएंगे। पर अगर आपको 40% नहीं आएगा, इफ यू फेल टू स्कोर 40% इन द इंटरनल, इवन इफ यू पास द एंटम एग्जाम, you won't be able to get the certificate or you will be getting the mark sheet, okay, there's no issue, but there's no pass and fail there. But for certificate generation, 40% each in internal as well as external is required, and it is a mandatory condition. Okay, so yeah, all submission the last date is 30th April, so you need not to worry. Okay, uh, yeah, you can mute yourself. Is there any issue in unmuting? You are saying that can't allow student. Are you not able to unmute yourself? Hmm. Hmm.
Hello.
Mm-hmm.
My question is the matter of the credit transfer. After passing this form, how do we credit transfer each enrolled connect each program? What the facility would be? What the amount is the pay for to transfer credit transfer? Thank you.
Sir, मैं आपको सुन नहीं पाया. I couldn't hear you properly. The audio was not clear. I'll be highly obliged if you can type if any issue in audio.
Now it is okay, sir. Now it is okay, sir. Hello.
Pardon? हाँ, yes. आप एक्चुअली इको हो रहा है आपका आवाज का बहुत ना, मुझे आवाज सुनाई नहीं दे रहा आपका.
Credit transfer and what is price? The amount we have to pay for matter of credit transfer.
नहीं, मुकेश तुम्हें सुनाई दी क्या? मुझे आवाज प्रॉपर सुनाई नहीं दे रही कि वट यू आर क्लियर नहीं सुनाई दे रहा है सर. आप अगर टाइप कर सके तो नो इश्यू. We will be able to write a research proposal. Now, we are, yes, of course, we are going to deal with, Ali, we will be dealing with the special module of writing the grant proposal. आप देखेंगे when you are seeing the layout, we will be discussing layout, and maybe in a particular module, a particular live session, आपकी जो queries होंगी उससे related, we will also be handling those things also, that how to write the research proposal and what should be done and what should not be done. As far as the credit transfer is there, the course coordinator, me, my team had are not giving any credit transfer. Actually, it is the SWAYAM's, as per the SWAYAM guideline, if your university, your department passes and approves this particular course for a particular paper for the credit transfer, then only if you pass this, submit the mark sheet as well as the certificate and oblique or the certificate to your control exam, the same number of credit will be credited to your mark sheets. बहुत सारे प्री पीएचडी स्टूडेंट्स in many universities, more than 70 universities, for the various PG courses as an elective, for the pre-PhD courses, even as for the core subject, our course has been accepted and approved for the credit transfer. You just need to request your head of the department, sir, kindly get it approved for the credit transfer for this particular subject. आपके किस सब्जेक्ट से मैच करता है, या आपके पास कोई ऑप्शन है कि भाई स्वयं से 2 कोर्स करने हैं, तो यू प्लीज रिक्वेस्ट देम, सर काइंडली गेट इट अप्रूव्ड थ्रू द BOS, बोर्ड ऑफ स्टडीज जिसे कहते हैं, या एकेडमिक काउंसिल या स्टैट्यूटरी बॉडी जो आपकी यूनिवर्सिटी की है, गेट इट पास्ड. आप रिक्वेस्ट कर दीजिए, मीनवाइल आप कोर्स करते रहिए, इट विल बी पास्ड. देन द कंट्रोल एग्जाम, जब आप एग्जामिनेशन देंगे तो आपको इस पेपर का, आपका यूनिवर्सिटी में जो एग्जाम होता है, यू नीड नॉट टू give that university examination of that particular paper, maybe, and then if when you pass, take the certificate and mark sheet to the your head or the control examination, the same credits will be reflected, like 4 credits will be reflected in your mark sheets. Okay, this is called the credit transfer. Okay, so actually only the SWAYAM courses are eligible for the credit transfer, not other online courses. Okay, Can it will be used for my enroll course in my college? Obviously, if provided, if your college academic council permits the credit transfer. Yeah, obviously, ठीक सही कहा. अच्छा मुकेश, आप जवाब भी दे रहे हैं. Can it will be कि क्या आपके कॉलेज को या आपकी यूनिवर्सिटी को, नॉट कॉलेज, आप, इफ योर यूनिवर्सिटी हैज द पॉलिसी फॉर एक्सेप्टिंग द स्वयं क्रेडिट्स, then obviously these credits will be reflected in the most of many universities like BHU, Central Jammu. There's so many universities are there which are accepting the credit transfer through the Swayam MOOCs, and specifically to our course academic writing. Okay, so then it will benefit from my master's admission in university. Benefited from a master's admission in university. No, you will get the credits only. That yes, but obviously, not specifically. I will be saying that it will be helpful for you. But yes, for your CV, it is very much important, and you can get more and more credits also, because the credit is not limited to the credit mentioned for a particular subject is the minimum credit. You can get more credits also, provided it is accepted by your institute. Okay. So you can go through for the process. You can request and most of the institute have been requested and rather asked by the UGC to make the provision for the credit transfer through the Swayam MOOC. So you'll be enjoying this course. Apart from the tangible advantages like credit transfers and getting the certificate, you will learn how to translate your ideas into publication, into reports, into grant proposal, into book, into thesis, into conference papers, and even the digital writing. So this is a unique course which lets you know that how to go for these things. आपको किसी एक सिंगल कोर्स में ये सब चीजें नहीं मिलेंगी. And we have tried it to make it multidisciplinary, so that each and every discipline person can learn. Okay, so I was going again back to the literature review की हम बात कर रहे थे, जनरल आइडिया देने की बात कर रहा था. देखिए सबसे बड़ा मुद्दा है पढ़ना. You need to sit and study the papers, the articles, the research studies which have been done on that particular field. पढ़ना है उसको. You need to annotate. अब जमाना नहीं रहा मेरे ख्याल से, अगर आप जितना पॉसिबल हो सके आपको उसको जो है टेक इट इन द फिजिकल प्रिंट, हार्ड कॉपी, अंडरलाइन इट, because when you are using your pen na, you are triggering your brain, which we might have discussed in a particular module also. Even if it is not possible, annotate it in the PDF. I think most of you do know how to annotate in the PDF. कैसे कमेंट करते हैं पीडीएफ में, कैसे अंडरलाइन करना है, हाईलाइट करना है, एंड डिस्कस विद योर रिसर्च टीम, योर सुपरवाइजर मे बी, योर कलीग्स मे बी, योर रिसर्च टीम मे बी. You can ask particular questions that how it is done, and then again take up another set of papers, study them. A inverted funnel like which we have discussed in the literature review, that you need to convergent approach of focusing on to a particular topic. There are tools, AI assisted tools are there which are helping you out to generate out of the thing. पहला तो Microsoft का जो AI assisted editor tool है, when you are going to the Microsoft में जाएंगे editor या Microsoft Research, it will be helping you out a lot to study and extract the things from the study. Another important tool is SciSpace. Most of you might be knowing. What you can do, you can upload a particular PDF there. You can ask the questions that yes, what is the issue? The prompt you are giving, जो भी चीज आप उससे पूछ रहे हैं उसका क्वेश्चन इंपॉर्टेंट है. Specifically ask. You might not have a sufficient time to study an article which is maybe 55 pages long. So just give some inputs to the SciSpace. This. What are the limitation of? What are the this thing? what is the critical analysis in between these two variables discussed in the particular thing. So the SciSpace will extract those particular things with particular attention, and you will be able to study it in less time in a more critical way. Okay, so there is no harm in using the AI tools, but to take the help that what is going on there in that particular literature. So 3-4 paper आपने upload किया, you have 4. Now what are the similarities in between the 3 papers and 4 papers for this particular idea? Have they used the same method? So these kind of questions you can ask to the SciSpace, put into the bar, and it will be giving you the answer. But that is the way of digging deep into the literature with the help of AI assisted tools. Using generative AI tools, which I have mentioned earlier also, may be harmful for innovativeness or for the innovation point of view से वो lack करना लग जाएगा. The AI content will be there, but facilitated or AI assisted tool may be used. There is no harm. So just enrich your work with quality publications. अब ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने हल्का फुल्का या substandard journals you are referred articles. So obviously the quality journals, it is not just about targeting journal for your manuscript submission. It is also important to target journal for your reading. Which journal should be cited, which journal should be referred, which article should be referred. The more quality journal you are referring to, the more quality you are going to input in your research work. Yeah, someone is want to ask Kandekar. Shailesh ji, please ask your question. Yeah, please. Anyone?
Yeah. I hope I'm audible.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Sir, I joined this course yesterday, and let me first appreciate this excellent course and also the onboarding process for this and the today's live session. Thanks for that. Sir, my specific question is pertaining to the reading of papers, actually. For an interdisciplinary research, a good paper can be written only when we have read hundreds of excellent papers, better papers. So, any recommendations for, say, top 25 papers which should be read by every aspirant in academic writing, which are also available for open access and which span multiple disciplines? So, any guidance will be appreciated, sir.
Obviously, it's a good question, and I'll be compiling particular aspect which is related to the literature and the writing, specifically the articles which are written on that particular aspect. I'll be sharing, and I'll be making it available to the course learners in a particular window also. There are things, the best resource is if you go to the Springer Author Academy. There are Author Academy by the publishers. They give wonderful resources to the authors and upcoming authors. So you just type Author Academy, Springer, Author Academy, elsewhere, Author Academy. So you will find the resources given by the publishers, the ultimate author, and moreover, the Clarivate है ना, जो JCR जो आपका जो है जनरल साइटेशन रिपोर्ट निकालता है हर साल, जिससे इम्पैक्ट फैक्टर मिलता है. They conduct time to time the various workshops free of cost, which are very helpful for the authors. So please do enroll them. And मेरे को भी जब समय मिलता है मैं जरूर अटेंड करता हूँ. तो क्लैरिवेट में भी जो एब्स्ट्रैक्ट होती रहती है उनको देखिए. These publishers, reputed publishers, are also time to time they are conducting the workshop free of cost. LinkedIn is also a very good source, specifically when you are following the particular research group or particular persons, particular publisher of good repute. You will find wonderful resources for studying literature, for doing research, for writing research. And as I promised, I'll be collecting the articles specifically for the academic writing written by and which are easily available, open access, and we'll make it available for your kind attention. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Shailaji, and welcome to the course. Okay, there's no need not to worry. As I mentioned, आपकी last date बहुत है हमारे पास comfortable. So please enjoy the content and do attend the quiz, and do recommend to your colleagues, your contacts, your students, scholars. You will find this very helpful for their career. The academic and researchers के लिए एक अच्छी learning का platform हम लेके आए हैं. I hope this Government of India's initiative is helpful for more and more people. Okay. So the problem with our Gen Z, our researchers, they want to do things in light and speed. So what we used to study maybe 20 years back, 25 years ago, going to the library, going to and referring to the books, making notes, this all can be done very easily with the help of resources which are available, digital resources which are available. We are having the digital books there, we can annotate very easily. But the shortcuts should not be taken. Okay, take the help of even the AI, I will say. But we must discuss what kind of resources we are relying on for developing our idea. Whether there is a logic in there, rationality is there or not, we must discuss with our team, with our supervisor, with our mentor. It might be the case that you have chosen a very substandard journal, you got a very fancy article, and you are fascinated by seeing, oh, yaar, acha study, let's do it, let's do something else related to this. Before that, see the quality, see the validity of the research work there, discuss it, then only plan. And at least your idea or hypothesis should be supported by 15 to 20 related articles. कुछ ना कुछ आपके पास सपोर्ट में होना चाहिए. Then you, and ultimately, even if you are writing a thesis, you are relying basically on the 15-20 articles. You have started reading hundreds and hundreds of articles maybe. In practical, you don't study hundreds and hundreds of articles. You just rely on some quality review papers. Then you constrict your idea. Then you go for converging your idea. तब आप फोकस करना स्टार्ट करते हैं. तो बेस्ट स्ट्रेटेजी इज टू गो फॉर क्वालिटी रिव्यू पेपर्स written on that particular domain, and that too which are cited by lot many people. So in that way you will be having a good approach which is validated and peer reviewed by the experts in the form of review which you are referring to. Then you will filter. Even sometime we are very new to a particular domain or subdomain. Maybe domain के बारे में मुझे पता हो सकता है, सब domain के बारे में मुझे ना पता हो. तो review gives you a good answer. But again, the source of that review paper, the journal in which it has been published, it should be quality journal, which we have discussed in the impact and side score, etc., which we have already discussed. Even the books which you are referring to must be of good quality for good publishers. See the names who have written the books. You will come to know that yes, I should refer to the good quality books. Okay. तो ये डिपेंड करता है कि आप पढ़ किसको रहे हैं. Then your ability, thinking ability, critical thinking comes only when you are reading critically and you are reading quality aspects. Then only you can go through. And in our Gen Z, this quality is lacking. Patiently padna, it requires patience. Coming with the notes, coming with the outcome and discussing it before entering into the lab. Generally they want to jump into the lab directly. Just please do your full homework with the literature review, that kind of whether it is which we have already mentioned, that sink or swim. That take a thread, work on a particular team, then you will get the end point of that particular thread. इतना भी डीप नहीं पढ़ लेना है कि हम उस चीज से भारी हो जाए. हमको कॉन्स्ट्रिक्ट करके रखना पड़ेगा. We will have to identify our limits. That yes, this is domain. I want the answers of this. If you are very crystal clear in your aim and objectives, then obviously your outline of your literature review will be limited, and you will be focusing the exact point. Okay. So we are we'll be giving the. Yeah, this already discussed that academic and creative writing. Academic writing is linked with the code of conduct. That freedom is not there as we are having the creative writing, and there is no boundary in creative writing. But again, academic writing, everywhere, every place, in every aspect, there is a boundary. Whether you are formatting, whether you are idea, whether you are headings, subheadings, reproducibility, using the things and reusing the things. Each and everything is regulated by some regulations or guidelines, but not in creative writing. Okay. Not all the time it is advisable, but when you are having lots of article to read and get something, you have time limits, then obviously you can see that for to validate what you have grasped from a particular article. भाई मैं सही समझ रहा हूँ नहीं समझ रहा हूँ. Just to check it out, go through. There is nothing wrong in using AI. Those rather who are not using are are going to become obsolete later or sooner, as we are seeing the advent of AI. But but it should not eat up the that innovation part, that innovative part of that particular research. ये ध्यान रहे. I'm experiencing writer's block. I read papers, underline the key ideas, but while writing, I'm feeling stuck while making the while making the proposal. Can you please share some steps that I can resolve the problem? Which proposal you are talking about? Research proposal? Yeah, it depends what kind of proposal you are going to. आप किस proposal में बात कर रहे हैं, पर देखिए, the clarity of idea is the fundamental aspect, fundamental need. आप बहुत कुछ पढ़ रहे हैं, you are reading a lot, but if you are not focused and if you haven't identified the realm, the horizon, कि मुझे क्या चाहिए, ये पता होना चाहिए. That clarity must be there in you. Otherwise, just like going through the reel, अब जब आप reel देखना start करते हैं ना, कहाँ का कहाँ पहुंच जाते हैं, isn't it? Because you are not identified. And just do one thing: start liking a particular kind of reel. You will be getting this similar kind of thing. So you will be actually filtering the thing in that digital part. And same was true with ourselves. हमारा भी जो brain है ना, उसी तरह function करता है. So if you are going for random things, you won't be able to concentrate. Go for a particular kind of thing that yes, इस टॉपिक पे पढ़ना है, इस टॉपिक से रिलेटेड लेना है, इस चीज को लेना है, और इसका एक रॉ खाका बनाना है. क्या बनाना है? रॉ आउटलाइन वी नीड टू ड्रॉ. देन वी विल फिल रैंडमली फर्स्ट. ओके, ये इसमें आएगा, इसमें आएगा, जो जहां आपको जो आ रहा है, keep it in a digital box or digital library. आप बना लीजिए. You can make your digital library in the Google also, and keep some sections. Okay, and related article, just mark it and put it in the digital library. Then sit that yes, this thing, and then try to frame it, that shape. Then try to shape it. Then you will feel that yes, something is lacking there. I should bridge this aspect with this aspect. ऐसा होता है. Until just on you have read enough, you can't write a quality manuscript, quality proposal. जब तक सारी बात पता नहीं होगी, you can't enter into a dark room. to just be little bit more organized. जब भी हम ज्यादा और अनऑर्गेनाइज होते हैं ना, हमारे थॉट्स भी अनऑर्गेनाइज हो जाते हैं. Whatever the things we are reading, you just keep a वर्ड का पेपर लीजिए आप, वर्ड स्टार्ट पुटिंग द आउटलाइन और उससे रिलेटेड रेफरेंस को वहां आप पेस्ट करते रहिए, कोई बात नहीं. एंड देन सिट वंस एंड ट्राई टू शेप इट इन दिस वे, एंड देन डोंट फाइनलाइज इट at first instance. Every time keep the option of polishing it, changing it. Don't be adamant. ऐसा नहीं करना कि भाई मैंने सोच लिया अब तो यही करना ना जी, इसी रास्ते चलेगी गाड़ी. नो, रिसर्च इज ए कॉन्टिन्यूस प्रोसेस, थॉट प्रोसेस इज ए कॉन्टिन्यूस प्रोसेस. उस प्रोसेस को एक सिटिंग में मत कीजिए. I have mentioned many times that whenever you are doing the writing work, don't put it in the one single shot. In the multiple time, come again, leave some time, come again, come back again, think again, leave some time, come back again. Then you will find a good proposal, good manuscript. Otherwise, it will be just a robotic kind of thing. So you have to have a good patience, critical reading, critical thinking, and be ready to accept previous mistake. Don't be adamant and keep on polishing. It will be helpful to draw the idea, okay, and finalize the idea. Yeah, obviously literature review we publish it in the form of review, but basically review when published, the literature review when published in the review demands more and more attention, and we are going to, I think जल्दी आपको एक मॉड्यूल में हम इसमें कैटर करने वाले हैं. We are going to discuss the how to write the literature review in coming modules में हम बात करेंगे, जल्दी बात करने वाले हैं. And I think in that particular module we will be reading after we are reading the literature review now. After the literature review, we soon will be going to discuss the review and the thesis part also. There you will find that how we can I think when you go to the about the course on the course domain, you will find that किस नंबर पर हमारे पास जो है ये आने वाला है. You will be able to see the course outline. In the course outline में in literature review week 6, and after week 7 we are in the week 7 we are also going to discuss some of the more online literature databases and how we require to manage these tools. इसमें वो Mendeley and Zotero की बात करेंगे. मैंने इसलिए डिस्कस नहीं किया, अदरवाइज इज ए न्यू थिंग. हम नेक्स्ट वीक में इस पे डिटेल में बात करेंगे कि हाउ टू मैनेज द लिटरेचर, हाउ टू यूज द Mendeley, साइटेशन कैसे करें, इस पे हम बात करने वाले हैं नेक्स्ट वीक पर. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट वीक में विल बी डिस्कसिंग द रिव्यू पेपर राइटिंग, द हाउ टू कन्वर्ट आवर लिटरेचर इनटू द रिव्यू पेपर. ओके, सो या क्या है बोले हुए, हाउ टू कैरेक्टराइज द डेटा. पॉर्डन, मैं देखना चाह रहा क्या बात हो रही. How we characterize the data is generates by array is not false or it's correct. How to characterize the data is generated by AI is not false or it's correct. देखिए generating data is a academic misconduct by AI. अगर हम AI से generate data correct करते हैं तो false और true होने का तो मतलब ही नहीं होता. होगा वो ट्रू भी हो, कोई बात नहीं. We must not take it. Take the data from the valid sources only. Many redirections are due to the generative AI tools, the data created by the false data created by the AI, even the false references created by the AI. The AI is creating the references which are not existing at all. So you must not rely on any generative AI tool. Okay. However, you can take the help of that AI assisted tool. This I have again and again mentioned. Okay. Okay, Mukesh, thank you for helping me out. Anything new, Mukesh? Dr. Mukesh, you want to add something? And almost 1 hour we have discussed. The questions, and you can around 80 people have joined, and if you want to open up your cameras, you are most welcome. Okay, so this is we are adding, and the next week में हम आपको बहुत अच्छे ढंग से we are going to discuss the generative AI tools also. So please be with us, and not much efforts we are demanding. Just practice the thing, and you will be able to write a good paper. This is my promise. Okay, and many of our researchers have got the benefit in the last 8 cycles, and we have been in number 1 in the examination many times, and it's our privilege that we have got you people. And in the आप announcement में जाएंगे, those who have recently joined, we have also given you a link for giving you your input about the course. And I'm very overwhelmed, as I started with that, that we have got wonderful feedback for the course, and we are very thankful for your feedback. It gives us confidence that yes, we are on the right track for helping you out, for taking the swam efforts to for the actual term. In actual term, we are trying to serve the nation. Okay, तो कोई और बात, कोई आप कहना चाहते हो तो आपका स्वागत है, और कोई बात रखना चाहें?
सर फीस के रिगार्डिंग एक क्वेरी था. What is the amount for the proctored examination? Is it still available?
No, for examination fee and exam registration will start at the March end or April first week. And to the best of my knowledge, I think it is 750 rupees. I don't know the exact amount, maybe around 750. Okay. Below 1000 it is there, and I think there is a subsidized rate also for some categories also. Okay. So there is no issue. I think it is around in between 500 to 1000 is most probably 750. I don't know that because the fees is not charged by us. The fees is taken by the National Testing Agency and Ministry of Education directly. So there's a different portal you have to apply for. We will be giving the link, and we'll be giving the at the due time. We'll be giving you the information. Need not to worry. Okay. So और एक बात मैं आप पे विशेष अनुग्रह करूंगा. It's my humble request that today itself, please share the course information. Ask at least 1 or 2 scholars, students, your friends to join the course, and ensure they join the course. It's about learning together. It's about making the efforts. Those people who are colleague, हमारे जो colleague यहाँ बैठे हैं, हमारे साथ जो काम करने वाले कई faculty member हमारे साथ बैठे हैं. Actually, this is not my money. This is your money. This is taxpayers' money from which this course has been developed, from which this entire SWAYAM has been developed. So the more we use it, the more we are utilizing our taxpayers' money. So friends, I humbly request you that take the course to every nook and corner. You won't believe that we have been getting the better responses despite of many limitations. I'm not saying that we are 100% perfect, but we are able to touch the basic need, cater the basic need of a researcher, Indian researcher specifically. And in those points, we have left behind the courses from Coursera, edX, and many global universities even. If you see the enrollment to examination ratio also. So it is all because of you. थोड़ा थोड़ा करेंगे तो अच्छा कर पाएंगे. Don't be in the rat race of getting something in a very short time. You might have seen in last week, you might have seen that to getting something extra, what people have done and what the consequences have been there, which we have seen in the recent AI summit also. So we don't require these things, just honesty. We may be slower, but we should be on the right track. The later or sooner we will reach on the destination. This is my take. Just I'm ready to be called as a slow person, no issue, until I'm on the right track. That should be the spirit, and the researcher must be honest one. If we are doing the research, credit दीजिए, जिसके जो बात कही है उससे क्रेडिट दीजिए. I want to quote, rather I have quote many times Professor Rajat Agrawal, head Department of Management Studies. He says, before I conclude, he says, he's from IIT Roorkee, head Department of Management Studies, Professor Rajat Agrawal. He says, what is about the idea generation? What are the three factors which drive the innovation? And two topics on which you should do the research. What are those? Pain, wave, and waste. First is pain. Identify the pain. What is the problem? In terms of research methodology, we call it problem definition. Identifying the pain that my mother, my sister are, going barefoot to fetch the water from a water source which is 10 kilometers away from my village. What can I do for that? Can I regenerate that resource, that water source? Can I take that water source as which have been seen in the northeast region, the bamboo pipes they are using? These are the small innovations which we can do. That is called identifying the pain which we are seeing in our society. Then second thing is wave. What is contemporary? What is the kind of wave which we should work on? Like in ESGs, Sustainable Development Goals. If we are working on that, obviously we will be getting the more acceptability in the research field, in the research granting funding agencies. Eyes, we will be getting the attention. If you are doing the research on a pacemaker technology which is already obsolete, that there's no use. So let's work on the hydrogen fuel. Let's work on the drone technology. These are the emerging technologies in which we are talking about. Third thing is waste. Zero waste. Going for that SDG. It is not just about the household waste I'm talking about. I'm talking about in terms of laboratory. Can I reduce the wastage of chemicals, expensive chemicals? Can I reduce the time taken by a process which was otherwise taking the 7 days? Can I reduce the time to 1 day, 2 days? That reaction rate I can accelerate. Can I reduce the requirement of electricity, power, that wastage of power, wastage of money, wastage of HR, wastage of labor? So pain, wave, and waste, these are three driving factors as per the Professor Rajat Agrawal, not Tajes MLT. So try to be honest, give the credit to the original person. Yes. Anything you want to say? Anyone say before we conclude? So you are sorry. Just a minute. कुछ और आप बात कहना चाहते हैं तो मोस्ट आई थिंक मेरे कैमरे में कुछ दिक्कत हुई है.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir. I am Priya Yadav. सर मैं दीनदयाल उपाध्याय गोरखपुर यूनिवर्सिटी से एमए कर रही हूँ इंग्लिश से. तो वहाँ पे प्रोफेसर ने मुझे सजेशन दिया है कि मैं इंग्लिश डिपार्टमेंट से हूँ, तो इस स्वयं वाले में मैं इंग्लिश चूज नहीं कर सकती हूँ. तो क्या सर इससे मुझे कोई लॉस होगा? मैंने इंग्लिश चूज कर लिया है.
क्या चूज किया? इंग्लिश समझ में नहीं आया मुझे आपकी बात.
जो आपका सब्जेक्ट है उसमें कई सारे ऑप्शन थे. सोशियोलॉजी से भी था, इंग्लिश से भी था और हिंदी से भी था. तो मैं इंग्लिश डिपार्टमेंट से हूँ, तो मैंने इंग्लिश से ही आपको मतलब आपके सब्जेक्ट को एकेडमिक राइटिंग सेलेक्ट कर लिया है. तो क्या इससे आगे चल के मेरे फ्यूचर में कोई प्रॉब्लम होगी?
नहीं, उसमें क्या दिक्कत है? देयर इज नो इशू. ऐसी कोई बात ही नहीं है उसमें कि इंग्लिश सब्जेक्ट. देखिए इंग्लिश का मैं कहना, आपका कहने का मतलब यू आर फ्रॉम इंग्लिश डिपार्टमेंट.
Yes, sir, yes.
And this course is a multidisciplinary course. The alignment
Yes,
is different. You might have seen the categories multidisciplinary. That's right. That alignment of particular course is not. Even the course is being done by the BTech, by the BA, by the literature people, by the even the psychology people. Those are from psychology disciplines. Those are for engineering sciences, life sciences. This is a complete multidisciplinary course for arts, humanity, engineering, sciences, life sciences, biomedical. Every person is eligible and there is no harm. We are not discipline specific at this particular moment when we are talking about the academic writing. So there is no question can be raised on the validity of a particular course for a particular or compatibility of the course for a particular field. There's no problem. Okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Most welcome.
Hello sir, my name is Farzana Batul. I am from Ladakh.
Mhm.
सर मैंने मास्टर्स कंप्लीट किया है कंप्यूटर एप्लीकेशन में और
Mhm.
मुझे आगे पीएचडी करना है, इसीलिए मैंने इस कोर्स को ज्वाइन किया था।
किस
लेकिन
कोर्स में किया
मैंने
है
रिसेंटली
फरजाना? Your PG in which subject? Sorry, I couldn't hear you.
अच्छा ओके सर, सर इन मास्टर्स इन कंप्यूटर एप्लीकेशन सर,
Very good,
एमसीए।
very good. Mhm. Mhm.
यस सर, मैंने कोर्स जो है यस्टरडे ही ज्वाइन किया है, तो ऑलरेडी बहुत सारे लेक्चर्स भी कवर हो रखे हैं और वीकली क्विजेस पहले से दे रखा है। तो अगर मैं अभी अटेम्प्ट करूं तो मेरे ग्रेड काउंट हो जाएंगे क्या सर?
बिल्कुल
मुझे
बिल्कुल
फिर से
बिल्कुल फरजाना, दैट आई स्टार्टिंग में ही मैंने ये बात करी है, दो इवन दो बिकॉज
दोबारा
द
से
एंड
ये
डेट
सब
इज 28
करना
फरवरी।
पड़ेगा?
नहीं, कोई इशू नहीं है। 28 फरवरी हमारा इवन द लास्ट डेट है। तो हमने जो लास्ट डेट क्विजेस का रखा है वो 30 अप्रैल है, 30 अप्रैल। तो कुछ भी आपका छूटा नहीं है। यू जस्ट गो थ्रू द कंटेंट and start attempting the quizzes, that weekly assessment quiz. जो सेल्फ असेसमेंट क्विज है, you need not to worry, वो तो आपके केवल नॉलेज चेक करने के लिए। जो वीकली क्विज है वो आपको करनी है, ठीक है? और देयर इज एनफ टाइम यू आर हैविंग, देन नॉट एट ऑल नीड नॉट टू वरी। ओके, दैट्स व्हाई द कंफर्टेबल डेट्स आर मेंशन्ड। ओके, थैंक
थैंक यू सो मच।
यू, थैंक यू। So it's very happy. I'm very happy. It looks very nice that the people from nook and corners of our country are joining the course. And I would like to let you know the one important aspect that in the previous cycles, the people from more than 100 countries have joined us in the, but due to time differences in between the different countries, many times they are unable to join the live sessions. But basically, if when we are catering to my nation, so I prefer to go by my nation's time rather than going for the different countries' timeline. Okay. So anything else you want to ask? Most welcome. And मैं शेयर करना चाहूंगा, मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा अगेन, अपने स्टूडेंट को, अपने एक साथी को आज एनरोल करवाएं, ज्वाइन करवाएं। मकसद यही है कि हम ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोगों तक पहुंचे और सीखें। आई एम नॉट गेटिंग एनीथिंग आउट ऑफ दिस। ऐसा नहीं है कि भैया मेरे 4 एनरोलमेंट ज्यादा हो जाएंगे, तो इट इज नॉट अ प्राइवेट डोमेन। आई एम ए सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटीज एम्प्लॉय। ओके, आई गेट द गुड सैलरी फॉर माय वर्क व्हिच आई एम डूइंग। But if this ambitious project of SWAYAM reaches to the nook and corners of India, it is the success of our efforts. It is the success of your income tax money and your paid income tax, and it is the success of Ministry of Education's, UGC's, CEC's efforts. उनके efforts हमारे धरातल पर उतरेंगे। इसी के साथ हम आज conclude करते हैं। Thank you Dr. Mukesh, and thank you to all the learners for being with us, and most welcome. And if you have any query, Mukesh is already working hard. Dr. Mukesh is helping you for the any query. If you have any query, please feel free for asking in the discussion forum. We are always with you, helping you out. So with this, and I wish the happy Ramadan to all our learners of who are fasting and even not fasting, no issue. So with in the holy occasion, we wish you all the best. And
सर
please.
सर काइंडली दोबारा से एग्जाम के पैटर्न के बारे में एक बार बता दीजिए। वन ऑफ द लर्नर इज आस्किंग व्हाट विल बी द एग्जाम पैटर्न।
एग्जाम पैटर्न विल बी CBT, कंप्यूटर बेस्ड टेस्ट। आपको जो एग्जाम देना होगा, यू विल बी गोइंग टू ए पर्टिकुलर सेंटर, नियर बाई सेंटर बाय द नेशनल टेस्टिंग एजेंसी के जो सेंटर होते हैं वहां पर एग्जाम होगा। इट इज ए कंप्यूटर बेस्ड टेस्ट। 50 MCQs विल बी देयर, मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस विल बी आस्क्ड देयर, and you must score at least 40% in the external exam. You must score at least 40% in the internal exam separately, and 30% weightage of internal. That internal weightage, that score will be taken out of 15. The best 8 scores, yani best 8 assignment score will be taken, their average will be taken, and their 30% weightage will be taken. It will be added to the 70% weightage or whatever the score you have got in the external exam. They will be combined, and then your entire the final score will be released. If you pass 40%, you will pass only. You will be getting the not. There is no pass fail in the mark sheet. You will get the mark sheet, and in any case, no issue. You will get the certification only if you have passed in internal as well as external. It means you have scored more than 40% in both separately, not put together. Okay, that is important part. And for the credit transfer, I would like to clarify that if your university allows that आपने टोटल में ही 40% लेके आए हैं, पास आप अगर हो रहे हैं तो नो इश्यू, यू डोंट रिक्वायर सर्टिफिकेट इवन, यू जस्ट पुट फॉर द क्रेडिट ट्रांसफर अगर आपके पॉसिबल है, यू जस्ट पुट योर मार्कशीट ऑफ स्वयं. Obviously it will be the credit will be transferred automatically. The certificate is useful for your CV, man. I think I'm clear, and we'll also be detailing this thing in the discussion forum that how it is going to work. And we have mentioned in the certificate and other about the course section, you will find the details of these particular aspects specifically mentioned in our course domain page. With this, we would like to conclude this particular live session in this Sunday. And there is a question. I have a question that in profile detail there is a, pardon, I couldn't get. क्या क्वेश्चन है भाई? अभी एक रिसेंट एक क्वेश्चन ड्रॉप हुआ है, हम इसको ले लेते हैं लास्ट क्वेश्चन को. I have a question that in profile detail there is department, my subject is not, I'm mainly from home. It doesn't matter. I have just mentioned that it is a multidisciplinary article. Actually, they have just at randomly picked up something. Otherwise, there is no issue in aligning subject. It is applicable for each and this is multidisciplinary one. From arts and humanities, sciences, commerce, management, for every discipline, biomedical, medical, for every discipline, research, the fundamental research is same. So there is no issue in opting it out. Just you mark it multidisciplinary. This is a multidisciplinary course, which we have mentioned the category of the course. Okay, thank you. So with this, we would like to conclude. And before moving, I would like to stop the पहले तो हम recording जो कर रहे थे उसको करेंगे, and this recording will be available to the in the with the lesson in the next week content, so that the people who couldn't attend today at this particular time will be able to go through or revisit the things whatever we have discussed. So thank you dear learners, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आप सबका, नमस्कार. और लोगों को जरूर शेयर कीजिएगा, और आपके फीडबैक के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. थैंक्स अ लॉट फॉर योर काइंड फीडबैक. प्लीज do learn with us. Very happy learning.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.